Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mimi. We all love cupcakes. So today I'm gonna be making the Christmas cupcakes. This recipe is really simple and fun. We only need 6 main ingredients: the all-purpose flour, egg, sugar, cooking oil, milk, heavy cream, and we also need another 3 ingredients to decorate the cupcakes. I have the raspberry and also some Christmas sprinkles. And also I have this matcha powder. I bet you already know that's for the green color. And you can definitely use the food coloring. And also I have another piping bags that you can replace with the Ziploc bags. Okay, now let's have some fun. First, we're gonna separate the egg whites with egg yolks. So we will need 2 containers, one for egg whites and one for egg yolks. Now beat the egg yolk. Next, we're gonna put this egg whites and egg yolk aside, and we will need a large mixing bowl to combine the milk and cooking oil together. 1.5 tablespoons of milk, 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Use hand whisk to mix them together. Right now you can see there are milk and cooking oil. They're kind of like separated from each other. We can see there is some oil just on top of the milk. We just need to combine. Keep stirring. Now after several whisks, we can see the mixture is more like a gel, and we will need to continue. Now look at the mixture. It's smooth and the color is kind of like white, milk white, and there is no oil on top of the milk. They are well combined. And now this mixture is ready. We're gonna add the egg yolk. Add the beaten egg yolk for 3 times. First time. And we're gonna mix them together until they are well combined. Looks good. Now add for the second time and continue to beat. The mixture looks good. Now we're gonna add the rest of the egg yolks. Keep stirring. Sift a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Now combine the dry ingredients with the egg yolks until there is no dried flour. This batter is ready. The egg yolk batter is ready. We put it aside, and then next we're gonna whisk these egg whites. Beat the egg whites on low speed. Until there is no large bubbles, add the sugar. This is 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna add it twice. So first time, half of the sugar. And continue to beat the egg whites on medium speed. Peaks almost form. We're gonna add the rest of the sugar. And continue to beat on high speed. See the firm peaks. Now our egg whites is ready. See, it won't fall. Next, we're gonna combine the egg whites with egg yolk by folding the egg whites to the egg yolk batter. Fold half of the egg whites to the egg yolk batter and use spatula to combine them until there is no egg whites you can see. Now we're gonna fold the rest of the egg whites into this batter and continue to combine them together. Now our batter, there is no egg whites in the egg yolks batter and egg whites, they are all well combined. And next, I'm gonna transfer this batter to the piping bag. Then you can use the Ziploc bag as well. and fold the top of the piping bag. Drop the batter to the baking cups. Now they are ready to be baked off at 255 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, following 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Now look at this. It smells so good and the color is beautiful. I left it in the oven after baking for about 2 minutes to avoid the instant sink. Let it cool down for about 5 minutes, then we will garnish them. Place these 3/4 cups of heavy cream in a large mixing bowl. Beat on the low speed. Now we see a lot of bubbles. Add half amount of the sugar. Add half tablespoons of sugar. Continue to beat on medium speed. Now the texture is more like yogurt, and we'll add rest of the sugar, another half tablespoons of sugar, and beat on medium speed. Now our whipped cream is ready. We will need 2 piping bags or 2 Ziploc bags. One is just to hold the regular color whipped cream. The other one, I'm going to make it a green color whipped cream. I'm going to use this food coloring, and you can use matcha powder or Spanish extract as well. I add 3 drops of food coloring. You can adjust the drops to make it lighter or darker, and use spatula to mix the whipped cream with food coloring. Transfer this green whipped cream to a piping bag. Remove our cupcakes from the baking pan. I have so much fun making these cupcakes, Christmas cupcakes. Look at the Santa hats. I made them with raspberry. You can definitely switch them to strawberry, your favorite fruit, just as long as it's red. I love it. Oh, where is my Santa hat? Okay, I have it. And for these gingerbread cookies, I will put the video link down below in the descriptions. Like so delicious. The cupcakes cake and it tastes so fluffy and with the whipped cream. It's just Christmas. And here is a tip. In the first step, we combine the milk and the cooking oil together to make it a more gel or yogurt texture. So we need the room temperature milk. If you just take the milk out of the fridge, please make sure to either microwave it for about 10 seconds or just leave it in the room temperature for at least 15 minutes so that we can combine them together smoothly. I hope you like this recipe and also like my video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and please comment down below for your favorite cupcakes, your favorite gingerbread cookies, and your favorite Christmas edible gifts. Please subscribe me for more. See you real soon. Happy holidays. Bye.